model kit review is of the Ferrari Dino, the 246 GT, and it's a 1/24th scale model, and it's by Fujimi. It's the same box art picture everywhere. Here's some pictures of the finished model. Looks like a very nice model of a classic Ferrari car. Let's have a look inside here. So here we have decals, a fair number of decals for a car model. We have our windshield and the rest of the glass. So that all looks pretty reasonably detailed there. Now let's have a look. Here's our body. We do have some mold lines here, but otherwise pretty well molded, nice, crisp and clean. Here we have our wheels and tires, nicely molded, and the wheels actually have some nice chrome there. Normally I don't like the chrome. Look here and see. So this is our chassis. Unfortunately, it looks like the engine is molded in. That's not very nice. Let's have a look here. We have the inside of the doors. We've got our this is our cockpit with our seats. We've got our discs here, the brakes, and steering column, dashboard, all fairly well molded. Not much in the way of flashing or mold lines, windshield wiper, steering wheel, handbrake, and so on. This is our chrome parts. These are our chrome parts here, and reasonable. And let's have a look at this last screw here. So here we have our hood, and for other body parts, all fairly well molded. Here are the instructions. So we start off with the parts listings here, and it shows you the painting and decals. You have the colors needed. We start off with the wheels, and that's built onto the chassis, and the remaining engine parts there with the exhausts and subframe, and the rear axle with wheels. We build the cockpit and dashboard that goes on, and then we start to build the body parts here, and the inside windshield wipers, early type or ladder type, depending on which one you want, and the rest of the glass and lights and so on, and then the tail. So all in all, fairly well molded, good level of detail. The one thing I do not like is the engine that's molded into the chassis. It really is disappointing. Otherwise it should be a good build.